One of the things that obviously characterizes birds, birds have a beak, right? That's the characteristic feature of birds. That's also the iconic feature in evolutionary biology. The origin of the beak, which is an unusual organ and kind of a unique organ among vertebrates, among reptiles, is something in which people have been very interested. Just recently, we were able to process in 3D using CT scans and to pull out of the rock virtually and to reconstruct the complete skull of a transitional bird called Ichthyornis, which in fact is a Yale bird. The holotype is here at Yale, but we've been able to now take this bird, Ichthyornis, reconstruct the complete skull, and we found that in fact, Ichthyornis, it has the first modern bird beak. The first beak was not the long organ that you see in modern birds, but was in fact just a little pincer tip at the very end of the jaws. That little pincer tip, which was paired with a pincer in the lower jaw, probably was used for grasping or for precision, well, for what we call pecking, and that was the first function of the beak.